Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're heading out to the resort of Predator Ridge, right here on Lake Okanagan. Before we go, I'm going to show you the drink I made, but first, a little bit about Predator Ridge. Some of the resort amenities is, of course, it's built on a 36-hole golf course. Some of the amenities at Predator Ridge, they got a private outdoor pool, hot tub, and a barbecue area. They got a fitness center with free weights, weight training, and cardio machines and training tools. An indoor 25-meter lap pool, hot tub, and steam rooms. A yoga fitness studio. 2 award-winning golf courses. 2 outdoor yoga platforms, 35 kilometers of multi-use trails, hiking trails, running trails, walking, and snowshoeing. 13.5 kilometers of bike-specific trails with a connector trail leading to 40 kilometers of trails at Elson Bike Park. They have a driving range for golf practice, and they also have a golf academy. They got a tennis court with a shared basketball court, a Lavender Meadow walking trail, bike rentals. So 5 tennis courts and 4 pickleball courts open for year-round play. And then we're going to go to the Range Restaurant, Bar, and Patio. They have a 130 seat outdoor patio with spectacular views. They also have an Italian bistro on the property and a market with a grocery and a liquor store and serves Starbucks. You can rent outdoor cabins during golf season and also a mobile bunker bar. They also have a lot of kid-friendly amenities and pet-friendly amenities. They have over 20 pet stations throughout the resort and trails, pet-friendly accommodations, pet-friendly parking, pet-friendly patios, and a dog park in the new neighborhood that they just built. All right, so we're going to head out there and have a little lunch. First up, this is the drink I made. So this is actually called a Beachcomber. I'll put the ingredients up on the screen there. So 3/4 part curacao liquor or a triple sec or any kind of orange liqueur. 2 parts light rum. 3/4 part lime juice. A dash of Marichino liqueur. 1/4 teaspoon of simple syrup, which is optional. And I just built it over ice, and that's called a Beachcomber. So it says the Beachcomber is a fun and simple drink. Picture yourself with a group of friends in the evening, watching the setting sun and sipping on this maraschino cherry flavored cocktail. It's one of the few tiki drinks that is served in a martini glass for a bit of elegance. Of course, I went with my tiki mug today. Here's some fun trivia. Though you'd think it would have been created by Don the Beachcomber, it was published in Trader Vic's Bartender Guide in 1947. So who created it? So it says the history of the drink started in the 1930s when Ernest Raymond Beaumont Gant opened his first restaurant called Don the Beachcomber. The restaurant was filled with souvenirs that he brought back from the Caribbean and South Pacific. The food and drinks were infused with typical Caribbean flavors. It was a little tropical paradise in between the city vibe of Hollywood. This was the birthplace of tiki cocktails. Although you might think that the Beachcomber cocktail was invented by Don Beach, there is a version of the story that tells us that it was actually the restaurant Trader Vic's who came up with this cocktail. Which one is true, we don't know for sure, but it's definitely a cocktail worth drinking. Alright, so that is my Beachcomber. Now we're going to head out, have a little lunch at Predator Ridge. Check it out. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.